Fisher from Amazing Seller Success. So let's just jump straight in and look at this week's research. So this is where we share with you our research and what to sell on Amazon. Now, these are ideas you can use. You don't have to use them, but what we want to show you here is just exactly what to look for. So today's research is what we class as a silver product, which means hot seller. And it's a barbecue cover. So it's something very simple and straightforward. And there are a number of reasons why we've actually chose this product. So let's jump straight in. So when we're looking to select the right product to sell on Amazon, we look at the attributes. So the first thing we look for is what we call a bestseller rank. And we're looking for a bestseller rank or a BSR of under 5,000 in its category. So as you see, the category is the garden and outdoors category. And the BSR, the bestseller rank, is 273. So that's really good. So this is a hot product. Let's look at what this product is actually selling each month. Now, I'm talking here about the United Kingdom market. Please bear in mind, you can sell in other countries on Amazon, so we're not looking at the US or Europe here. We're just looking at the United Kingdom. So in the UK, last month, this product sold 434 units. Its estimated monthly revenue was £7,808. And the reason why we're looking at this product, as you can see from the average Amazon review, there's only 75 reviews. So we look for products with less than 300 reviews because we can start getting the reviews in, driving the reviews, and getting above that so we can rank higher. So when we're looking at products, we're looking for products with low competition and high demand. Now, also, we're looking at the price. This product sells at £17.99. So it's a very sweet price point. The listing quality score is 8. So, we could probably get that to a 9 and outrank that product. Amazon's fee is £6.81, and that would leave us with a net of £11.18. And out of that £11.18, we would obviously purchase the product, import the product. So we've got some costs out of that. So let's see if this product actually stacks up. So firstly, before we see if it stacks up in terms of the costings on what we can buy it for, is there a high demand for this product? So we know there's low competition, but what is the demand like? So as you can see here, when I do type in barbecue cover, we've got 571,300 monthly reviews. If you look lower, if we refine that down to barbecue covers, waterproof, heavy duty, we're still getting 52,000 searches a month. So this product is in high demand. There's a lot of people looking for this product. And there's the product. Now, there's a couple of things you might notice here. Firstly, it's ready to ship. Secondly, it's in stock. And thirdly, and quite important, is it's a fast dispatch. So you can get up and running with a product like this very quickly. Now, there's 2 sizes we can purchase this product in. So 2 variations. You can purchase the smaller size at $3.60, the larger size at $3.80. So let's say you were purchasing the smaller one, $3.60, that would equate currently to around £2.79. So after Amazon's took the fee and after we've actually purchased the product, that's leaving us with about £8.39. Now, the great thing about this product is it's also very lightweight. So it's a fantastic product that we can really increase the sales velocity. We can catch up the company already selling this product or the individual already selling it. And it's a great product idea. You don't necessarily have to copy all these ideas. We're just sharing with you exactly what to look for so you can find your own successful products on Amazon. Feel free if you want to copy it, that's fine. So if you want to join the revolution and maybe meet us at an event, Sean and myself, we've got some events coming up in the UK. You can find those on copy-me.co.uk. And if you want to go to our hub, it's amazingsellersuccess.com. My name's John Fisher. I wish you every success, and we will see you next week. Thank you.